Is it a sew-in? Is it a wig? No one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video, and welcome back. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing this makeup look. You guys, when I tell you, it literally took me 15 minutes to do this look. I can't wait for you guys to see why. But yes, so we're gonna be doing this makeup look, and I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this minimal effort hairstyle that I have going on today. If you are interested and want to see how I achieved this minimal effort, simple, everyday glam, keep on watching. I'm about to install this V-part wig. It's a glueless V-part wig from UNiceHair. It's a curly texture, super luscious curls. I actually just washed it and let it air dry, and I didn't put any product in it, and this is what we are looking like. Shout out to Eunice for partnering with me on today's video. Again, like I said, this is their glueless V-part wig, and we are actually gonna put this on really quick because I gotta go. This wig is beginner friendly, so if you are someone who cannot grasp the concept of putting on a lace wig, then this is for you. And for those of you who are just on the go and really need something quick and easy, this is for you too. I've been seeing this wig all over YouTube, and I'm like, I want to try that. So when they reached out, of course I obliged. So here they have these comb clips, so all you need to do, and I just left out my hair at the top to pretty much use it as a leave out, so I'm just gonna slide it in under the braid, and I just did my hair in some straight backs. I think I have like 8 braids, so I'm just gonna try to bring it up as close to the leave out as possible, make it easy on myself, and then clamp it down like that. And then just move my hair over to that side. I used to wear sew-ins so much back in the day, and I've actually been considering getting a sew-in. But you know what? I might not even need one because I can just toss this bad boy on whenever I need to rush and go run some errands. So I'm just sliding the comb, like I said, underneath the braid. It's looking kind of crazy right now. We have to fix this part right here. So I brought my mousse in here. Oh, I'm just gonna use this Cream of Nature mousse. And I'm just gonna take that along my natural hair and just blend it in. And then I'm just gonna take some more mousse and do a little bit of baby hair in the front. Alright, so I just put my hair behind my ears while my leave out dries a little bit, and then I'm going to come back to the hair once it's dried and I'm done with my makeup. So let's get started. I already did my brows off camera, so I'm going to start with concealer. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Almond, and I'm just using this to sort of spot correct. This one is very close to my skin complexion, so I love using this just to conceal and, like I said, spot correct. You see how that just covered that right up? Like, I love this. And because it's a matte concealer, you don't even necessarily have to set it with powder. You can just apply it and it stays put. You know, obviously if you want longevity, apply powder. Conceal any blemishes. Around my mouth is a little bit dark, so I'm just gonna take whatever's left over on the brush and run it around my mouth. And that just made all the difference in the world. To contour, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario contour stick in the shade Dark Deep. And I'm gonna use the brush on the other side to blend. To highlight, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer. It's the Magic Touch Concealer in the shade 16. Now for the most exciting part of the video. If you have been a part of the makeup world, I mean like interested in makeup or anything of the sort, then I'm sure you've heard of Fashion Fair. Fashion Fair is a Black owned makeup company and they are doing like this whole rebrand and I'm so excited about it. So I went to Sephora. They had the cream to powder foundation. I really did want to try. I think it's their contour. I wanted to pick up all their products. The Sephora that I went to had a limited amount of product from them. So I wasn't able to get my hands on everything, but I was able to get the cream to powder foundation and I was so excited about it. I've never really been a huge fan of cream to powder products because I don't know, I guess when I think about cream to powder, like how? You know what I mean? How? But if anyone can get it right, Fashion Fair can get it right. They've been around since forever. So like I said, they did a whole rebrand and I was super excited about it. So of course I wanted to give it a shot. I'm using the shade Rich Brownie. I'm hoping that it matches because I don't know. I'm just gonna take my brush and kind of dab in it and just apply it. I'm not gonna use a powder over top because cream to powder. So let's just apply it. Oh my God, coverage. Wow. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my God. I'm just gonna build up on it just to see how good the coverage is. Okay, I like this and let me tell you why. Oh my God. I like this. I like having the control. I like being able to dab my brush in it as many times as I would like to build up on the product. Wow, guys. Okay. And this is my first impression. I have not used this at all, ever. I really like this, you guys. And this is not sponsored. I like the coverage, as you guys can see. The coverage is there. It's buildable. I like that it's buildable. And it doesn't feel caked up on my skin. Okay, let's go down my neck. You guys, I like this. I keep looking at my skin because I almost can't believe how good it looks. Let me apply blush so that I can set underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna use this lip and cheek blush by Milk Makeup. It's in the shade Work. And this is a very light blush, but I just wanted a little bit of something added to my cheeks. It's a very light blush. All right, so I'm gonna go into this NARS blush quad, and I'm gonna go into this shade here. The names are like upside down, so I think it's in the shade Torrid, but it's this pretty pink here, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it. Very similar to Orgasm, just a little bit lighter. To bronze my face, I'm going to add a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade 4. And I've been loving applying my bronzer with a big fluffy brush. I just like the way it looks. It appears a lot more effortless. I'm using the One Size powder in the shade Translucent to set underneath my eyes. I'm going into the Soft Glam 2 palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to use the shade Mulberry. And I'm just going to dust that all over my lid. And I'm going to bring it out just a little bit. Whenever I'm too lazy to like do eyeshadow or do a full beat, just use one eyeshadow, apply it to the crease, which will give more of like a defined crease, and then what you do is you bring the color down onto the lid, then you softly bring it up into the brow area, and it's gonna look like you used multiple shades, but you literally only used one. And it works best if you use like deeper shades, because you can always go light-handed with it, or you can build up on it and create like a deeper look. But as you can see, looks like I did a lot, but I didn't do too much. You can take that same shade on a shader brush, take that along the lower lash line. I went ahead and got dressed, and I just moved my hair from behind my ears, but I think I want to leave one side. I'm probably gonna cut a few layers in this wig, but not today. This is pretty much it. It's super low maintenance. That's what I like about it most, because for those of you who are on the go, or for those of us who are always on the go, this is perfect for us. My leave out isn't completely blended. I'm not about to stretch my hair. I love my curl pattern, so it just is what it is. This is just another protective style for us. So for the final step, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 3 Intense Lip Liner to line my lips. If you watch my last Get Ready With Me, then you know how I like to line my lips. Just line the Cupid's bow and bring it down. And I'm just gonna fill them in a little bit. I'm gonna go on top with the Tower 28 gloss in the shade Coconut, and it's just a bubblegum pink, but it doesn't show up like that. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. This might be my new go-to everyday makeup. Just saying. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Special thank you and shout out to Eunice for partnering with me in today's video. I will have all of the details about the hair listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. Also, all of the products used in today's video will be listed down below. So again, check out the description box. And I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your support on my channel. I appreciate you guys more than you know. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because we would love to have you as part of the family. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!